Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your microphone and headphones work and that you can hear playback. Once confirmed, sign into the platform or create an account so settings persist. Next, check your network. Some routers or public Wi-Fi block voice traffic. If so, switch to a different network or enable port forwarding. While doing this, open the app settings and locate the voice or audio section so you can adjust levels and permissions immediately. Now you focus on configuration. Grant microphone access to the app and to the browser if using web voice. On Windows or Mac OS, check privacy settings. Once done, pick the correct input and output devices so the wrong mic isn't used. Then tweak sensitivity or input gain so your voice is clear. Make sure echo cancellation and noise suppression are enabled. If you prefer control, enable push-to-talk. These steps reduce background noise. Finally, join a test room or a private channel and speak so you observe levels and hear your own audio if the platform offers it. If others can't hear you, try simple fixes. Restart the app, reselect devices, or log out and back in. Once done, move to network troubleshooting, reboot the router, check firewall rules, or use a wired connection. If problems persist, update audio drivers or test a different device to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.